तो रिकॉर्डिंग में चाहते हो तो फिर मैं इसको भी इसमें डाल देता हूँ. I would repeat that again to you. Those of you late even they would know about it. So there were two of the sentences over here when a company changes its marketing strategy or company changes their marketing strategy. ठीक है, so answer was A, company. It's not the company there. And the second exercise that was if anyone of the employee are late or if anyone of the employees is late. This is the right answer because it is singular, so we're supposed to use the singular over here. Neither trouble nor expense were spared in giving. Neither trouble nor expense was spared in giving. So here the right answer is second one, B1. And in the fourth question, the question was when certain marketing tactics are not working, then obviously it must be changed. Tactics है तो यहाँ पे उन्होंने they के लिए जो आपका pronoun है that they have taken as a right answer. So this is the right answer. Then the first question, each of the political parties, each they took it as singular, so that is how the answer is B1. Each of the political party is being first, so that is how this is the right answer. In the sixth answer, sixth question, they asked the crew of three men and women. So crew they have taken it as one entity. That is how this is the right answer. The first one they have not taken it as a plural. Then, in this question, several theories were put forward to explain the accident, but investigators found it unsatisfactory. That is one, and this is the second one, but here they take it plural with the plural, so this is the right answer. Then, all levels of profession had its own salary range, all levels of profession had their own salary range. So they took it this as a true subject with the profession, that is IAM galat hua, the first one. A1 was not answer, B was the right answer. Management issued a statement on its New Work Practice Agreement. So यहाँ पे भी उन्होंने जो मैनेजमेंट इसको सिंगुलर के साथ लिया, दैट इज द राइट आंसर. के साथ गलत हो गया. Every woman present at the function was a leader in her profession. So यहाँ पे भी इसको सिंगुलर के रूप में लिया गया. That is how the her is the right answer. If we talk about as a noun. So now I was trying to tell you that from the noun pronoun agreement point of view, you're supposed to know this thing that whatever draft you will write down, whether it will be a letter or essay or report, you keep this thing into your mind. This is the knowledge about the rules, and we should not constrain, we should not stop ourselves only at that line that we supposed to answer the questions of a grammar in our paper. We supposed to know this thing that questions which it has been asked over here, we should know that how we can implement practically somewhere. So that is more important. So when you write down, so there are different rules they are saying it. One is that you should know whatever you have written down, when you will write down the pronoun, when it is needed, you supposed to know that I should replace noun with the pronoun. That's the first rule of it. Second thing they are trying to tell you that you should know that when you are replacing noun with a pronoun, the pronoun it should match with the true subject. If it is a singular, it should be singular. If it is a plural, it should be plural. Third rule, what it tells you about, that is a pronoun ambiguity. They're saying, look, again I'm repeating, we are working on a practical thing. Okay, we are not just only following blindly. So third application is what they are trying to tell you that if you feel like you have followed the rule of noun and pronoun agreement, but somehow what it has happened, the true sense is not coming out of the sentence, which is given over here. If we see, uh, if we see over here, look, noun pronoun agreement, there is a ambiguity. I will show. Yeah, look, that is the ambiguity. When Jeff and Brian joined the team members, they were scared. So we have followed very rightly noun and pronoun agreement rule. But in this rule, they are trying to tell the true sense is not coming out. If you will say something to somebody this line, so he or she would not be able to understand that what do you actually want to convey. So here it is necessary that you should not replace noun. You have to keep noun over here so that there should not be ambiguity. There should not be any kind of ambiguity. So that is what they have told you, they have suggested you when you do your writing. Now for you, there is assignment or kind of a thing, we can say this thing. You need to write down one small article. Everybody, I think, is having a newspaper in their homes. If you don't have it, you can use your phone as you are using internet. So you can tap it on your Google and you can find out any of the newspaper article and try to see or try to rewrite in your own words. Try to rewrite in your own words, then try to see that are you following the true noun and pronoun agreement rules or not. बिकॉज अल्टीमेटली हम ये क्यों सीख रहे हैं, हम ये सीख रहे हैं कि हमारी जो राइटिंग स्किल्स हैं वो बहुत बढ़िया बेहतर तरीके से अच्छी हो जाए। ग्रामर आपके पेपर में ज़रूर आएगी, बहुत थोड़े मार्क्स के लिए आती है लेकिन आएगी। लेकिन इसको यहाँ सिखाने का मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप लोगों को ग्रामर की क्वेश्चन आंसर सिखाने हैं। ये आपको इसलिए सिखाई जा रही है क्योंकि आप लोगों को प्रैक्टिकल एप्लीकेशन इसकी आए कि जब मैं एक लाइन बनाऊं तो उस लाइन में मेरा प्रोनाउन और नाउन का जो एग्रीमेंट है वो किसी तरीके से कंफ्यूज ना मैं हो पाऊँ और मैं अच्छे से उसको लिखूं और मेरी लाइन बिल्कुल करेक्ट रहे। और धीरे धीरे जब आपको लिखते हुए ये आदत पूरी अच्छे तरीके से पड़ जाएगी, देयर विल नॉट बी एनी प्रॉब्लम राइटिंग दिस। तो आप सिर्फ अपना सब्जेक्ट ही अच्छे नंबरों से नहीं पास कर रहे हो, कल को जब आप इंजीनियर बन जाओगे, अभी मैं आपको एज इंजीनियर अज्यूम कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि आपने उस तरफ कदम बढ़ा दिया, जब हम किसी तरफ चल पड़ते हैं तो वो कंप्लीट हो गई। अगर मैंने दिल्ली जाना है and I have taken the bus or a car towards Delhi, of course it means I have chosen my goal। तो अब आपको हम इंजीनियर मान के चल रहे हैं तो आपको ये चीज़ सोच के चलनी पड़ेगी, कल बीइंग इंजीनियर आपको कोई चीज़ ड्राफ्ट करनी पड़ती है तो उसमें अगर ऐसी कोई मिस्टेक आ जाती है तो दैट विल बी प्रॉब्लम फॉर योर रिस्पेक्ट। तो बोलेंगे इंजीनियर साहब को अच्छे से ड्राफ्टिंग नहीं है। सो ये इसकी प्रैक्टिकल एप्लीकेशन है। एक है जो हमें पेपर में लिखना है, जो हमें क्वेश्चन आंसर आएगा ग्रामर के लिए, एक है इसको समझकर हमें ड्राफ्टिंग करनी है। उसके लिए आपको प्रैक्टिकल मैंने काम दिया है कि न्यूज़पेपर में से एक आर्टिकल लो, उसको पढ़ो, देखो, समझो छोटा सा, देन उस आर्टिकल को आप रीराइट करने की कोशिश करो, ट्राई टू रीराइट इट और देखो उसमें कि क्या आप उसको रीफ्रेम कर पा रहे हो, क्या मैं जो लाइन्स है मैं अच्छे से लिख पा रहा हूँ, क्या मेरी जो नाउन प्रोनाउन एम्बिग्यूटी है इसमें कोई दिक्कत आ रही है या कोई फंक्शनिंग में आपको गलत हो रहा है, तो आप उसको अच्छे से कर लो। ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, इस लेक्चर का जो लिंक है मैं आपके ग्रुप में शेयर भी कर दूंगा बिकॉज आई विल अपलोड इट ऑन यूट्यूब चैनल, और आपकी गूगल क्लासरूम में तो मैं डाल ही रहा हूँ, तो धीरे धीरे मैं उसका लिंक भी शेयर कर दूंगा अगर आपको इसको डाउनलोड करना हो तो वहाँ से आप कर सकते। ठीक है
सर, गूगल क्लासरूम का कोड नहीं दिया हमने।
बच्चे, मैंने इसलिए नहीं दिया क्योंकि मैं इसको 1 मिनट रिकॉर्डिंग यूज करता हूँ।